Affiliate marketing and home business.
Many of us dream of being our own bosses. The lure of big money and flexible work hours is quite attractive. However, many are afraid to venture out on their own. They fear that they do not have the capital required to get a business started, or they don't want to lose the security of their day job. The solution could be starting a home business. The truth of the matter is that you can start your home business with no money at all. Ask yourself this: do you have a spare room or space in your house? Do you have a computer with an internet connection? Do you have a phone line? If you have these three things, you have the essentials of an office from which your home business can be made. Affiliate marketing can be a great way for you to get started in your home business. Affiliate marketing will provide you with the opportunity to sell either a product or a service. With low capital and little space, you may want to concentrate on services. Once you have made the decision, you need to evaluate your skills. What services can you offer and what skills can you bring? Many people start off with affiliate marketing programs from major search engines. If you're good at website design, you could register your page with someone such as Yahoo Publisher. This way your site will get traffic with the help of the search engine Yahoo. If yours is a sales website, your traffic could translate into increased sales. The more exposure to your site, the better. The other thing you can try to do is attract traffic to other sites. Retail sites such as Amazon and eBay have affiliate marketing programs. If you can generate traffic and increase sales, then you make money. Both programs offer ways to increase revenues through links and blogs. These are usually free and worth using. Remember, the more you make, the more they make. Finally, your site can make money in another way. When it is posted on sites such as Yahoo Publisher or Google AdSense, there will be ads placed. Whenever a visitor clicks on an ad, you make money. The more clicks, the more cash. The operators take care of all the advertising costs and placement. They also try to place appropriate ads to your page. If you're selling rare books, ads for fish food are not likely going to get clicked. If you want to start working for yourself but feel you don't have the money, then you're wrong. If you have a computer and space to put it, then you have all you need. You can also start your home business and work it around your job. You can gradually commit more time as your home business grows. If you're tired of your job and really want to work for yourself, then stop making excuses and do it. Though affiliate marketing programs and selling services, you will find that having your home business is easier than you think. All it takes is time and a commitment to succeed. By taking advantage of the affiliate marketing programs that are currently available, you can make money and improve your own marketing skills. Remember, you can always expand into other areas and venture out totally on your own later. Right now, get marketing and get clicking. Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.